Are you struggling to make your e-commerce store stand out? You're not alone. The competition is fierce, with many niche stores vying for attention. But what if you could turn your challenges into triumphs? E-commerce marketing is essential for your business. It's about attracting the right customers and guiding them through their buying journey. Let's explore strategies to boost your sales. First, harness email marketing's power. It delivers massive ROI, minus $36 for every $1 spent. Use reminders and promotions to keep customers engaged. Next, utilize social media. Platforms like Instagram and TikTok build brand visibility and create content that resonates, boosting traffic and sales. Finally, consider SMS marketing. Text opted-in customers about new products for urgency and quick purchases. Tailored messages enhance customer experience and conversions. Your e-commerce strategy will thrive by focusing on these channels. Consistently analyze performance and optimize where necessary. What sets your business apart is your unique voice and commitment to customer connection. Make your brand relatable to foster loyalty. Are you ready to elevate your e-commerce game? Implement these strategies today, and watch your sales soar. Click below for our exclusive guide to transform your e-commerce marketing.